It's time! Here, welcome to my channel, and if you're not, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the one and only Starlight MacBook Air. I'm so excited to open this. I've been waiting literally around 4 days to open this because I wanted to film the unboxing, but I finally have time, so I'm going to be opening this today and showing you guys some accessories as well as customizing it and setting it up. I got the 16 gigabytes of unified memory with the 1 terabyte of storage. Wow, it's so light. Go ahead and set it up. I'm going to put English UK.
To use British English as the main language, press the return key.
Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Hey Siri, play some music. Oh, I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with dark mode. Just because I've never had that before. I always use light mode, but the dark mode does look very, very nice. Okay, I'm gonna play around with it for a while and then I'll be back. So I completely forgot, but I'm not gonna be setting anything up until the screen protector's on, so let's go ahead and put the screen protector on. So this is the screen protector I got. It's for the MacBook Air, 13.6 inches, and I got it from Amazon. So if you guys want to get the same one, I'll leave it down in the description below. So this one actually comes with two, and it is a film screen protector, not glass. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put this one on. Okay, wish me luck. to me. I think I'm gonna save the wet wipe for another day because it is brand new and there's no fingerprints or anything on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Literally perfect. Look at this. It's spotless. Okay, we're not finished yet, so now we need to go ahead and remove these. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, wait, I need to record this properly. Look at this. I have just finished installing this screen protector. Look how perfect it is. Not a spot or speck to be seen. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at the glare. You can see my hands and everything, okay? You can see my face. Look. Wow. When I tell you, I am impressed. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at the difference. This is my old MacBook and this is a screen protector I put on. It's just not very good. And yeah, it's quite dirty, but compared to this, glare-free, not glare-free. You can't really see the screen. Like right now, look at that. No reflection. So what do you guys prefer? Ooh, I love it. So something I just realised you can do is you can unlock your Mac using your Apple Watch if you have one. So I just went and set that up and let's give it a try. So, you see? What? Okay, that is really cool. Wow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set up this screensaver. And I'm gonna go for the Mac version. You can also get this for Windows, and I'm gonna download it for free. And there we have it. Ooh, I love it. So that's the first customization thing complete. The other thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add hot corners. So if you don't know what that is, it's basically customizations for each corner of your home screen. So for example, I'm going to make my top left be the launch pad. So now whenever I go here to that corner, you get the launch pad. Next, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of some of these apps because I don't use all of these apps and I feel like there's too many. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and delete some of these or remove them. And here we have it. So as you can see, there's less apps and I just think this looks a lot nicer. I might end up removing some more. I'll keep it like that for now. So I've got two packages to unbox today. One of them I purchased and one of them was kindly gifted to me by Burga. Burga actually reached out to me through my TikTok. If you guys haven't checked out my TikTok, you guys should check it out. And they asked me if I wanted to get some free cases, so of course I said yes. And despite them sending me this free gift, I've actually purchased from Burga before multiple times. These are all my own purchases I made from Burga. I'll just show you guys because they're really nice. This is their astrology collection and it's really protective for your phone. So I'm gonna start by showing you guys the cases I have at the moment, which I think are still on their website. This is one of my favorites. on to unboxing it. Now I'm going to be unboxing the one that they actually sent to me. Ooh. So this is not part of their Elite collection, this is part of a different collection, and it's got 2 parts. Wow, this could be a case on its own. This is actually quite nice. We also have the same one in the Elite collection. So the Elite collection is kind of more matte, whereas this one's more shiny. And this one doesn't have a gold rim, whereas this one does. And now for the MacBook case. Ooh. If you guys like the look of their cases, definitely go check it out. I'll leave them down in the description below, and they've also given me a discount code which I will leave somewhere here. So now I'm going to be unboxing this case which I got from Etsy. I actually purchased this before Burga got in contact with me and told me that they wanted to work with me, so I didn't know I was going to be receiving that case as well. But yeah, let's just get on to unboxing this. If you guys don't know, I love astrology. Ooh. They also had another version where you can get the Apple logo cut out, but I thought with this design it looked better if the Apple logo was not cut out. And I also got it printed on the back as well. This one's more minimalistic and simplistic, and then this one's more like astrology. I think they're both cute. And I chose this one because I already had the case for it, so it matches. I'm going to go ahead and put this one on. It protects your phone all across the edges. You can get matching ones for your iPad, your phone, and your laptop. So thank you so much, Burga, for sending me these cases. I think they're so cute and definitely very protective. I definitely recommend. If you guys want to check them out, I'll leave them down in the description below. And don't forget to use my code for £10 off your orders. So yeah, that is all the cases I got. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you once again, Burga, for sending me these cases. I love them so much. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing. If you guys did enjoy, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'm going to be leaving down below the screen protector. If you guys want to purchase it, I'll be leaving it in the description. And I'm also going to be trying to film weekly and post every Sunday. So if you guys want to watch more videos from me, then click that subscribe button and stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe!